So we just hiked the Bocanegra Canyon Trail at the Petroglyph area. Oh, there's more right there. You can see them actually on the rocks. I don't know if you can see them in this camera, but there's some right there. And it's pretty steep, but it's only about a mile. This was the shortest one. But we'll share more video of the trek going down. It was pretty steep coming up, and hopefully I can hold the GoPro. So, see you soon.